Good morning and welcome back to another basic makeup tutorial with a massive hint of glam. This look is pretty crazy, so I hope you enjoy it. I have rediscovered my love for makeup, and I really hope that these tutorials that I've been putting out have also inspired you to just pick up your makeup and have some fun, because I've really been loving getting back into makeup again. So please make sure to subscribe if you are enjoying these tutorials. I would really appreciate it. For today's look, I'm using the Coloured Raine Queen of Hearts eyeshadow palette. And about halfway through this look, I wasn't going to continue because it wasn't how I'd planned it. But you know what? I kept going. I kept just playing with the palette, and I came up with a look that I really loved and I think was so fun and different. Yes, I hope you enjoy it, and let's get straight into it. The first thing I did was prep my eyes with some concealer. I did not set the concealer. I left it nice and tacky on my eyelid so the shadows would just stick straight onto it. The first shade I'm going in with is called Noble Woman, and I'm packing this into my crease and buffing it out into that whole area. Going in with the shade Air, I'm using this to buff out the Noble Woman shade up towards my brow bone and create a nice gradient. Now we're going in with the shade Ladyship, and I'm packing this on the outer half of my eye, just tapping it all over, and I'm sweeping it up towards the crease. Going back in with the shade Noble Woman, I am creating a little bit of a wing. I'm sweeping the shade out towards my end of my brow bone, and you can tidy this up later on. Going back in with the shade Air, I'm again buffing that Noble Woman shade all over to make it nice and soft. Now I know it is a little strange to put shimmers in the crease, but it's something I've been experimenting with and I kind of like it. So never be afraid to put shimmer shadows in your crease. Using the shade Duchess, I am packing this on the very outer corner of my eye to help give my eye some dimension, give it some shape, and I'm just tapping it on and blending it in. Back in with Ladyship, you will have noticed that I'm actually going back and forth a lot between the shades. This is to help pigmentation, to help them blend more smoothly together, and so on. Now with Princess, I am tapping this on the first half of my eye to create a little gradient once again. Going back in with Ladyship, I am packing on the pigment on the first half and outer corner. And going in with Royal Highness, this made the eyeshadow look pop. It looked so stunning in real life. It was gorgeous having this little pop of shimmer right on the center of the lid where I meshed those two shades, Princess and Ladyship, together. That little pop of Royal Highness was gorgeous. Now using concealer, I'm sharpening up my eyeshadow wing. I have done my base makeup prior to this. If you did your eyeshadow first, this would be a lot easier. Using the shade Air, I'm just tapping that in my inner corner to help brighten it up and blend all those colors together. This is how the eyeshadow look is looking so far. If you love this and you want it to be a bit more wearable, just leave it as is, but I'm gonna go a little crazy today. I'm feeling a bit special, a bit spicy, a bit sassy, so I'm going in with this Colourpop pressed glitter in Renegade. Again, these glitters are not eye safe. I do not recommend going in with glitters this close to your eye, but I'm living life on the wild side. So I'm tapping this glitter on the first portion of my eye and up really like in the sort of nook of your nose part. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. I'm just tapping it everywhere. I thought it looked so cool. I know Halloween is coming up, and if you want a wearable look, something like this would be perfect. It was just so fun to have this glitter right in the inner corners of my eyes. It looks so fairy-like and so pixie-like. I loved it. For the bottom lash line, I'm keeping it very simple with the shade Princess and buffing it everywhere. Going in with your highlight of choice, I'm popping this on my brow bone and of course all over my cheeks for the highlight. This is how the glitter looks. You can go as crazy as you want, not crazy, whatever, do you. But I thought it was so fun to add this glitter pop. Like, look at that, how cool is that? I also used white for my waterline to make my eyes appear larger and pop. And going in with some black eyeliner, I'm doing this just to help some false lashes appear like they mesh with my real lashes a bit more smoothly. So this step is optional, depending on if you're going to use false lashes or not.
Can I trust my emotions? Is it the heat of the moment? 'Cause my heart just exploded when I saw your face.
I'm applying mascara first because I like to reuse my lashes.
I ain't asking for ransom, and I'm still not reacting. What am I waiting for? Am I afraid I wanna talk to you?
Now I'm popping those false lashes right on my lids and look at that. The look is done. You're looking glam, you're looking fabulous. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm so glad I kept going. I was gonna give up, but I just kept going. And I really loved how this look turned out. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Please make sure to check out my other tutorials on the channel. I am uploading as much as I can right now because I'm just so inspired by makeup. So thank you all for your support. Let me know if you like this look, and I will see you guys in a few days for a new video. Make sure to subscribe, and I will link some of my other tutorials down below so you can continue watching some basic makeup tutorials with a twist of glam. Thank you guys. Bye!
Number 2's that you're real girl. Messy bun, my ideal girl. And number 3 is the deep blue sea that is looking back at me. Am I afraid I wanna talk to you? I should've known, I should've stopped for you. Ooh.